I'm Rebecca and these are my reviews, and today I have another JEWLYBOX for you. So this is actually my second box. So this is a new company and you have two options. You have one box that is $29.99 and you get 3 pieces of jewelry, or you can get a larger box with 5 pieces of jewelry for $39.99. They did actually lower their prices a little bit. Also, they said depending on when in the month you sign up, they are now shipping on like the 4th and the 19th. So if you sign up in the middle of the month, you will get your box sooner rather than later. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, let's see. I love the crinkle paper. Ooh, the cutest little box. I love the packaging on these things, man. It's just totally adorable. Okay. Oh, you missed it. It said, "Hey, Rebecca." Hey, Rebecca. I love that. I don't know why. It's just those little personal touches. I'm just gonna open them as I pull them out. Let's see, what is this? Oh, I think this is a little bracelet. Like an ooh, that's like a silky tie there with the tassels and this is adorable. Oh my gosh, I super duper love this. Look how cute this is. Isn't that so cute? And it's adjustable and the little, I don't know, I just love that. I think that's adorable. Yay, very exciting. Okay, let's see. What's in this one? In bag number 2. Ooh, earrings. Oh, how cute. How cute. Look at these. Those are adorable. I like that color too. I don't have a lot of things that color. It's kind of like a corally, orangey. Very cute. Okay, and then for bag number 3. Whoa, baby. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at that. How amazing is this piece? It's super long too. Oh my gosh, wait, did I show you that? I don't know which way is the front or the back. It's like the same on both sides. I gotta stand up so you can see it. Look at that. Whoa, that's so cool. I love this. What a neat and interesting piece. Very cute. I love it. What fun pieces. Oh, these are cute. All right, well, I will leave all of the information in the description box. I also have a referral link, so make sure you check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is a fun jewelry box. Don't you love all of these jewelry subscription boxes that are out? All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next, I almost said my next box. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.